Okay, so in last class we had discussed about hybrid framework. Okay, so let's repeat the same topic for today, and after that we can continue next week. So tell me how to create the project, how to create the Maven project. So first half an hour is more interactive. So let's you can also take attention and you can also tell me the thing so that I can follow. So how to create the new Maven project? I have to navigate file, new,
others.
Okay. Under Maven folder, I need to select Maven project. Okay, click next. And here what I need to type? org.apache.maven. So I have to select which start. So click on next. And here I need to give RNHRM project name 110. I'm giving RNHRM 110. So I'm clicking on finish. So now let's see RNHRM 110 project had been created just now here. Okay, so let's expand this folder. So what is the first step I need to do once Maven project is created? We have to update pom.xml. Why we are updating pom.xml? Because
To get dependent.
we have to add project supporting libraries. We have to add dependencies. Jar files we have to add. So right now, how many dependencies are available? There are only 2. After updating pom.xml, we can see all the Maven dependencies. Okay, let's update pom.xml. So right now, here is only one dependency. So I'm going back to the previous project, RNHRM 100. And I'm opening pom.xml. And I'm copying all the dependencies. So dependencies from here. So selecting all the dependencies. So up to dependencies are ending here. Okay. So I have to copy all these dependencies. So right click, copy, go back to this pom.xml, select this dependencies, and here paste it, Control V. So it has been replaced. Okay. So, and I'm saving on my pom.xml. Once I am saving, I can able to see Maven dependencies under RNHRM 10. So I have saved just now. See here, process is going 69%. Once it is completed 100%, we can able to see all the project supporting libraries 6 came automatic. So first step is completed. What is the next step?
To update JRE.
We have to change JRE version to 1.8. Yeah, tell me how to change. Right click, build path, configure build path.
Build path.
And I have to click on edit.
Edit.
Yeah,
1.8.
Finish.
Finish. Apply and close.
So it has been changed. And finally, we need to verify test-ng is available or not under Maven dependencies. So select any of the jar file, just select, click on T. Yeah, it's available. So all the 3 checks completed. Now we can write our Selenium programs, and now we can create our packages and we can go ahead. Okay. What is, so in hybrid framework, what are the main packages? Pages, test cases. Okay, let's create pages and test cases. So the first package name I'm creating pages.
Recording in progress.
And the second package name I'm creating package name is test cases. Okay, right. So now let's go to the RNHRM application. So now let's go to the Orange HRM application. So what is this page? First page, login page. Okay, let's note down the pages. What are the pages? Login page. Okay, so right. So after clicking on login page, we will be navigated to which page? Home page. So the main menu, whatever you are seeing, that we can call it as a home page. Right. Now I want to automate a scenario, and I want to navigate admin, job titles, and I want to click an add button. So what is this page? This is job space. So to create a jobs record, I have to navigate job space. Got the point? So I want to automate a test case of TC01 add jobs. So this is the test case I want to develop. So in login page, what are the operations that we are doing? Login page, what is the operation that we are doing? Entering username, password, and clicking on login button. This process, what is the relevant method name we can give? Login. So login page contains login method. Generally in home page, what we will do? We will do logout. So let's write method name logout. In jobs page, we want to create a new jobs record. So I can create a method name as add jobs. What is the point? So these are the things I want to develop. Okay, let's create pages. So what are the pages? Login page.java, home page.java, and jobs page.java class files I have to create. Okay, let's go on create Orange HRM 110. So under these pages, I want to create login page. Tell me how to create. Right click, testng, create testng class. Okay. What is the first page I have to create? Login page. Click on finish. Okay. What is the next page I want to create? Login page is done, and I have to create home page as well, because here these are the things: home page and jobs page. So let's go and create one second. Test engine. Home page. Right. And one more page, job space. Right. So in login page, what is the method we want to write? So in every class, what is the first step declaration part I need to do? WebDriver. Okay, let's declare WebDriver, because we have to write set of driver commands. So let's declare WebDriver, and we have to import. And method name, I can rename it to login method. And I'm removing @test because this is not my main test. I'm saving. Okay. So login page contains login method, and I have to write set of driver commands. Yesterday, what is the project name we have done? One second. I had shared hybrid part1. Anybody remembered what is the project name I had created yesterday? Orange HRM 109. 100?
100.
No, not 100 also. 101. All right. Orange HRM 101 we had done. So in pages under login page, I have to write set of driver commands. Let me write this 3 set of driver commands. Okay. So I'm going back to my login page here. Sorry, login page contains login method, right? So I have to write login method. And I'm removing this one. And I'm saving. And here I need to write set of driver commands related to login page, and I have to declare WebDriver. So I have to import WebDriver. So login page is done. Implementation of login page is done, and set of driver commands also it's completed. So here we need to write one more method under the login page. So tell me what is that method? Login page method we need to write. So public void. So class name whatever is there, login, and I have to create local WebDriver object. WebDriver driver one. This dot driver is equal to driver. What is the point? Okay. So same thing I need to write in job space as well. So here in job space, what is the method I need to write? Add jobs. So I have to write set of driver commands related to here. And to pass the WebDriver object, what is the method I need to write? Public void job space. This comma driver is equal to driver one. So here I need to write set of driver commands related to job space. Okay, so let's write set of driver commands related to job space. So go to any of the previous programs that we did. ABC underscore ABC. Right. So I'm copying all these lines of code, all the set of driver commands. I'm going back to my job space. So I need to write driver dot. So thread dot slip add throws declaration. So thread dot slip it is showing, just keep the mouse over, it is suggesting add throws declaration. Just I'm clicking here. So here this line got added, throws interrupted exception automatically, it has been added. Right. So now job space also completed. What is the last page that we need to develop in Orange HRM 10? Orange HRM 10. One second. Home page. Yeah, tell me home page. So I have to remove @ test. And so here logout method we are implementing. So logout method. And I have to declare WebDriver. And I have to write, what is the method I need to write? Public void
Home page.
home page.
Home page. WebDriver driver one.
Right now I need to write set of driver commands related to logout. Okay, let's go to Orange HRM 101 yesterday. So these are the 3 lines I'm doing copy and I'm pasting under logout. Okay, so now everything is done. So now we have completed the first step. So under Orange HRM 10 project, we have implemented login page, job space, home page. Okay, now let's minimize. So now we need to develop main test case. what is the main test case we want to develop? TC01 add jobs. Let's create TC01 add jobs.java string class file. So tell me how to create this one. Right click, string, create string class. And here I need to do TC01 add jobs. Click on finish. Okay. So let's copy the set of driver commands, whatever is there in the main test case. These first 5 lines are common. So simply I'm taking Control C and I had pasted here. Okay. So and I have to declare my WebDriver object anyway. Okay, right. So I'm launching the application URL, and the login method is available under which Java class file now? Under pages. It contains under login page.java class file, it contains login method. So what is the first method we have to call? Login method. So that is a non-static method. Okay. So login page contains login method. So how to call the login method? So first we have to create object. Login page L1 is equal to new login page. 1 second. Clear? And I have to import under pages. This is the login page.java is available. So just I had imported. So line number 9 got added automatically. So L1 dot. So first of all, I have to pass the WebDriver object. So this is the method we want to call. And after that L1 dot, what is the method? Login method. So L1 dot, whenever you press dot, it will show all the methods. So login method. So login set of driver commands will be executed. So what is the next one? I have to create object for job space because I want to create jobs once I navigate to home page. So let's create object job space. J1 is equal to new jobs. So import the package, import pages.job space. See, this is the line got added automatically here. Okay. So now I want to pass the WebDriver object, J1 dot. So job space WebDriver, this is the method. Okay. And J1 dot add jobs method, because add jobs method is we are called object dot method names. So what is the next one? What it is showing somewhere? Add throws declaration. Okay, it has been added. Next one, what is that one? Home page. Let's create object for home page as well. So whatever Java file name is there with the same class name, we are creating the object. So we have to pass the WebDriver object and h1 dot logout. So everything is there. So let me save this program. And if I will execute this program under add jobs method, what is the record? Sales seat record, it will be created. Okay, let's run main test case. So go to the test cases, right click, do run as test engine. So login method is executed. So sales record has been entered. And finally, it's done. Welcome and run. So what is our main test? 1 second. So what is our main test name? Jobs test. It was successfully passed. If I want to create new record, one more new record, what I need to do? Under add jobs method, I'm pressing control button here in my keyboard and I'm clicking on this method. So here I need to change my input value, sales 9, sales 9, sales 9, because this is the main method input value. So I have saved job space, and let's come back to add job space and do run as test engine test. So this time jobs 9 record will be created. Got the point? So like that, your jobs test was successfully executed. Jobs 9 record was created successfully. Got the point? So yesterday in Orange HRM 101 project, we have developed skill space. Okay. In the same package, Orange HRM 110 project. Okay. I want to add, I want to develop TC01 add skills. Okay. So what I am doing is I am copying the skill space, right click and copy. Okay. Under pages, I am pasting. What is the point? So let's open skill space. Same thing. Skill space contains skill space method and set of driver commands is there. So now I can go and develop my main test case, right? So let's go and test that one, main test. So what I am doing is TC01 add jobs is already here. Okay. So I'm right clicking and I'm taking copy. Okay. Under same package, I'm doing paste. And this time I'm giving TC01 add skills. So this is the add skills program. So here I need to change my main method name as skills test. And instead of calling, okay, job space method, I have to create object for which space class file? Skills. Skill space S1 is equal to new skill space. One second. So it is asking to import, just keep the mouse over, import pages. So this is the line got added. You can expand line number 3. So this is got added. And I want to pass the driver object S1 dot skill space web driver. And after that S1 dot add skills method. So I'm saving. Got the point? And I'm saving. So let's run this program. This time, if I will run this program under add skills, Oracle 10. So I want to create a new record, Oracle 12. So I'm saving this program. Okay, before clicking on save, just I want to take thread.sleep. 5 seconds. So execution will be passed at 5 milliseconds will be passed at line number 27. Okay, job skill space is done. So now let's run this TC01 add skills. So right click, run as test engine test. So Oracle 12 record had been created, skills record. So login method is executed, add skills method is executed, logout method is executed. Okay. Suppose if I want to create one more new record, what I need to do? So under add skills, I have to change input value Oracle 13. And I'm saving. Okay. So I can come back to my TC01 add skills program and run as test engine test. Just I'm repeating same class, yesterday's class. That's it. So Oracle 13 record had been created. Okay. So now I will tell you one more new scenario. You can guide me how I want to do. Admin 1, 2, 3. So login page anyway we have already developed. We no need to develop any methods. So now I want to automate a scenario. Admin and I want to click on nationality. I want to click on nationality record add button, and I want to create a new record as Indian 143, and I'm clicking on save. So what is this page? We can say nationality page. So to automate TC01 add nationality, I have to develop nationality page. That's it only, right? So we analyzed the requirement. So now let's go see what is the time now, 10:43. I can automate this test case just less than 2 minutes. See. So login page, this is the one. I'm taking copy. Existing class file, I'm taking copy. Under this pages, right click and paste it. So here what I need to do, nationality page. Nationality page. So just click on OK. So this is the nationality page dot. So let's go to this code. Just double click on here. So this is the method name. I have to change it because WebDriver object I have to pass to this class. And here I need to write add nationality. So and I need to write set of driver commands related to add nationality. Okay. So let's go to Orange Jaram 100 project. Yesterday we already did. So let's copy the set of driver commands nationality. So nationality page had been developed. Just how much time it is taking? Just less than 1 minute only. So now I have developed in Orange HRM 110 project, I have developed nationality page as well. Okay. Now I can go and develop my main test case, right? So to develop the main test case, what I need to do? Just I have to copy existing NG class. So right click, click on copy. On the same package, right click and paste it. So you can give the name as add nationality. Guys, you can tell me what are the changes that I need to do in this class, TC01 add. So tell me, so first of all, here what I need to change? Nationality test. Okay. So where I need to change in this program? Which line? Line number 32 onwards, I have to remove these lines. So which page after login, which method I want to execute? Nationality. So what is the page we have created? Nationality page. Okay. And N1 dot nationality page WebDriver object. Done. And N1 dot add nationality method. So less than 2 minutes only we had completed automation. Okay. Once you develop the page class file, that's it. Developing of main test cases, just you need to call corresponding method. Okay, let's run this program. Once I will execute this program, Indian 148 record will be created. Okay, let's see this program. Right click, run as SNG test. So it's launching. So first it has to execute login method. And after that, it has to execute admin nationality. All the set of driver commands, Indian 148 record had been created. And it's clicked on save and logged out successfully. If I want to create one more nationality record, what I need to do? So under add nationality method, I need to change my input values. and then 149, and I'm saving, and I'm coming back to my add next node. So right click, run as test engine test. So no need to develop every page class file from scratch. Just right click on the page class file, copy it and paste it, and rename the method names, whatever you want. Okay. Suppose if I want to develop a location space. Okay. Suppose if I want to develop a location space, tell me how I need to develop. So just right click on any of the pages. Right click, copy, and here right click and paste it, and create a location space. Click on OK. So that's it. Location space got created. So let's open that room. So pass the driver object to location space. And here we need to write add locations. And we need to write set of driver commands related to add locations. So location space is developed. And if I want to develop the main test case, what is the step I need to do? I can copy existing test-ng class. So right click, copy, and in the same package, right click, paste it. So you can do TC01 add locations. So go to the location space here. So I have to login page, up to login page functionality is common. So I need to create locations. So what is the page name I had given? Location space. So just remove this part. Location space. If you will write set of driver commands, it will navigate to location space and it will be created. So just import this one. So already L1 object had been created here. So give some different name, LOC. And LOC1 dot. Okay. So we have to pass locations of driver object and LOC1 dot. Add location. Then, so if you write set of driver commands under add locations, so how much time it is taking to automate a test case? Less than 2 minutes. Just you can right click on the copy and paste it in the same package. Just to do the required changes in those page class files or in the main test case. That's it. This object model design pattern is complete. Hope everyone is clear up to here. Okay. So the same class I had repeated, and how fast that we can develop, just some techniques I had explained. That's it. Okay. No need to develop every page class file from beginning. Once you develop one page, just right click, copy and paste it and change the measurements. Over. Okay. So in the main test case also, just right click, copy and paste it. Task is completed. Okay. So we had completed hybrid framework. Part 1 is completed. Okay. So the next extensive part, what we need to do, I will explain. So before going into the hybrid framework, next part 2. Okay. So let me explain. Suppose this is a project, Orange HRM 110 project. Now in your Eclipse, there is no project. This project is not available. Okay. This project is not available in your systems. Okay. What I am doing is, I'm taking copy. Okay. And I'm taking copy and I'm maintaining backup. So in my E drive, one second, in my D drive. Okay. Let me create a folder. Projects. So just I have created a folder name as projects. And here I am doing paste. So just simply, I had right clicked and copy. And in my D drive, in any one of the folder, just I right clicked and I pasted. So the entire folder structure, it came automatically, form.xml. So everything it came automatically. So the entire project backup is available now. Okay. So what is the project folder name? Orange HRM 110. Okay. So, okay. So what I am doing is the project root folder name I am renaming into 115. What I am doing? 115. If you rename project root folder as 115, the same change you also need to do in form.xml. Got the point? So let's go to the root folder and change the required change in form.xml. So right click and click on edit. So here group ID and artifact ID. So group ID, this is the first line. So 115 orange HRM 115, and this is the second change, artifact ID and group ID. These two places I change it to orange HRM 115. And project name also, project name. Yes, here. Okay, so here also you can. So whatever root folder name is there, so ensure these three changes: group ID, artifact ID, and project name. That is the same name it has to maintain. So I'm saving. So what is my project folder name right now? Orange HRM 15. So whenever you are changing project root folder name, make sure the same thing, it has been updated in form.xml. Okay, so group ID, artifact ID, and project name. So now, okay, so now Orange HRM 10 project is here. Okay, so 1 second. First, let me share this project folder. Projects. This is the one. So send to compressed zip folder. And D drive under projects folder. So this is the folder, project folder I had shared to everyone. So what you need to do is just you can, once this folder is downloaded, just right click and do extract here, so that you can able to see Orange HRM 115 folder. So మీకు Orange HRM 15 ఈ ఫైల్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత జస్ట్ దీని మీదకి వచ్చి రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి extract here or extract files. Just do this step. So you can able to see this Orange HRM 15 folder. So now let me tell how to get this folder in Eclipse. Okay, so how to import an existing Maven project into Eclipse. Yesterday's class we had seen how to create new Maven project. So how to import an existing Maven project into Eclipse, that's what I'm going to tell you right now. So just right click on import. Okay, so under Maven, select existing Maven projects. So just right click. Okay, we have only less than 1 minute. So how to import Maven project in the next video I can explain. So let me share new link.